What's up guys, Jason here, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple balloon flower. So all you need is two 5-inch and two doublets. Alright, first what you're going to do is inflate the two 5-inch. One 5-inch to about 4 pumps. One more. And twist them into a duplet, which is how I show you. So yeah, so this is how you do it. One duplet of two 5-inch. Now take your two 11-inch duplets, twist them together, and slide this into the middle. Twist this balloon a few times inside, and you're done. So this is how you make a simple balloon flower. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.